Yeah, just the little miracles that we've had. I had a difficult time finding all of the vinyl gold material that I needed, and I had to get it from 3 different sources, and each of those were just a shade different color. What turned out to be really interesting is that I had just enough of each color to do a section that I needed to do, and enough of the third color, third shade, to do 2 full sections. And literally hardly anything left to do any crossover. I don't know that anybody would have seen that, but just you know, it's constant, the little things, and the hand of our Heavenly Father, and how all this comes together. And it's not a minor miracle at all that this temple's even here. You know, it's how many years in the making. So, and it's certainly a beautiful building, and a testament to the will of the Lord, and certainly the prayers of the people here. I'm humbled that I have this opportunity to do this kind of work. I grouse and gripe and grump sometimes that I have to travel so much, but the reality is I get to be in these places and experience what we often call these little miracles, and even major miracles.